exponential functions, we have exponential, which is going to be that J shape, like this, or like this. Then you have your rate, which is going to be your B value. Then you have estimate, which is going to be, oh, right here, your closest answer, closest. So if I like have 495, 495 is closer to 500 or 425. So 495 is going to be closer to 500, okay? Closest answer. May not be exact, but closest. Now, if I took a look at this equation, I need to change it for Desmos. I'm going to put my little bitty ones, and then I'm going to put that equal sign and change it to in squiggly line. And then when we look at the y-intercept, we have y-intercept, initial value, starting value. Those all mean the same thing. They mean our A value, okay? So when we go on to looking at this, it says B value, and if it's increasing, growth, double, compound, you are doing 1+%, 1+%. If it is decreasing, decay, use, absorb, depreciate, 1-%, 1-%. Then you have y-intercept, initial value, starting value. That is going to be your A value. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first question. It says, Matthew deposits $4,250 in a savings account. He left the money in the bank for 6 years without making any deposits or withdrawals. The table shows the balance of the money saved. Based on the table, which equation represents a fit of the data? So I know I have a table. When I have a table, I want to go to Desmos. Now remember, when we put this in Desmos, I am not putting the comma. So if it helps, rewrite the number without the comma, but yes to the point, okay? So no comma, but yes point. No comma, but yes point. 5355.80, 5,785.50, 6245.50, 6,749.60. So we just rewrote the number, but without the comma. So we are going to go to Desmos, and we are going to input my table, plus table. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for my x values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for my y values, I have 4,592.50. Then I have 4,961.20. Then I have 5,355.80. Then I have 5,785.50, and then I have 3,245.50, and then I have 6,748.60. Now, remember, the first thing I see is this is green right here. I don't see any green points on my graph, so I need to press this magnifying glass right here. I'm going to press it, and then now I have this. This kind of looks linear, kind of looks exponential. I don't know. So let me look at my answer choices. I can see they have a little x. So I know I have to use y1 squiggly line, a, b, x1. Okay? So I'm going to type in y1 squiggly line, a, parentheses, b, parentheses. Then to get the little 2 or little x, you press a, b, x, little 1. And it gives me all of this. This is what I need right here. So I know my A value, A equals 425,261. So I need to match that. I have 4,000, oops, let's do red. Maybe that'll be, oh yeah, 4,252. That goes on the outside. Okay, so 43 is kind of, 43,000 is, 4,350 is kind of close to 4,252, so maybe that's my answer. B is 4,252, 4,252. That's definitely super close. So maybe 4,500, not too close, and then 4,700, not too close. So I'm between A and B. Now, if I look at my B number, it says B equals negative, or 1.0, that's ugly, 1.079. Right here, I see my B right here. So now I need to look and see. I have B 1.079, 1.23, 1.079. So B would be my best answer. Okay? We are just matching the numbers. That's it. Then the next one says, the exponential function f of x equals 84 parentheses 1.3 parentheses x models the change in the number of students playing varsity sports at a school over an 8-year period. What does the 1.3 represent in the model? My 1.3 right here, 1.3, is the number inside. I know the number inside. Remember, it's y equals a b x. I know the number inside is my rate. Okay, and I know it's 1.3, which is increase or growth because it's bigger than 1. It's bigger than 1. Okay, so when I look at this, I'm going to read the first one. A, the annual rate decreases. Wait, it says decreases, but I'm looking for increase. So I know A is immediately out. So let's keep going. The number of students playing varsity sports at the beginning of the 8-year period expression in hundreds. So it says, where is it? Beginning. Remember, beginning is going to be my y-intercept. My y-intercept. This 1.3 is not my y-intercept. It's my rate. Okay? So, now let's look at C. The number of students playing varsity sports at the end of 8-year period expressed in hundreds. I don't even know what that's saying, so let's just put a question mark. I don't know, maybe. The annual rate increases in students playing varsity sports during the 8 year. So I know I wrote down increase. That means D should be my answer right there. D would be my answer. Okay. So now let's look at the last one. It says the function f of x equals 300 parentheses 1.06 parentheses x modeled the value of Mario's investment in a stick fund as a function of time and years. Which of the following is true? Mario initially invested 300 and his money increased by 1.06 times the number of years invested. So here I have 300, 300. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Boom. Now, again, I have 1.06. I know that this number means increase and growth. So let me look. Increase, decrease, increase, decrease. I know I can eliminate B and D because they're the wrong words. So, what I'm going to do is I need to see. I have 1.06 and I have 6%. What we need to do is we need to do the math. We have 1 plus 1.06 or 1 plus 6%. And that should give me the same number we got here. Okay? So, I have 1 plus 1.06. Enter. That gives me 2.06, which is not the same. Now, if I put in the next one, 1 plus 6, to get that parenthesis symbol, we're going to do this symbol right here on the calculator, and we're going to press %. Control, enter, and that gives me 1.06, which is the same as this number. So C would be my answer. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.